Yo, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Yo, guys, first and foremost, I just want to thank you to God, me, bro, for keeping us all safe, keeping us all well protected. No harm has come our way, guys. So give God all glory and praise. Secondly, I want to say, yo, guys, I am very amazed, I was lost, man. Lost my value, my pride, my dignity, me, bro. And before I started TikTok and YouTube, I said, let my platform be used to make people laugh, smile, and I will grow within time. And that was my wish, and that is what I asked God literally, man, to make my platform for people to laugh, to have fun, to vibe, just to make them have a good day at least. And my bro, I can tell you guys honestly, the support has been nothing but sexiness, man. It's beautiful, man. My YouTube channel is growing. My TikTok channel is growing. Yo, I appreciate the support, man. I appreciate the love. I appreciate, man. Because somehow, somewhere through all my shit I am going through, can't work because of my health, can't do this because of my health, bro. That type of things, bro, will put loads of negative thoughts in your mind, bro. But somehow the love, the support, the good comments, yo, somehow, man, finding myself again, loving games, it gave me some type of purpose, man. And I can only thank God for it. And my family. And now, my Dracula family. Guys, I appreciate you guys, man. Never forget that, guys, man.